Welcome back to Medici channel. Today's question: in which of the following reflexes gastric emptying is delayed when acidic content enters the duodenum? Gastrocolic, enterocolic, gastroileal, enterogastric. Answer to the above question is option D, enterogastric. In enterogastric reflex, when the acidic content enters the duodenum, gastric emptying is delayed. Question number 2. Which of the following statement is true regarding heterochromatin? A. It is transcriptionally active. B. It is densely packed. C. It stains densely. D. It is replicated earlier than euchromatin. Answer to the second question is option C. It stains densely. As we know, it is transcriptionally inactive and it stains densely. The X descendant JVP corresponds to dash phase of cardiac cycle. A. Atrial systole. B. Ventricular systole. C. Ventricular diastole. D. Joint diastole. Answer to the above question is ventricular systole, option B. Dicrotic notch is caused by dash: closing of mitral valve, closing of aortic valve, opening of mitral valve, opening of aortic valve. What is dichrotic notch? Dichrotic notch is a small oscillation in the falling phase of pulse wave caused by vibration set up when the aortic valve shuts. Option B is the answer. Volume determining preload is end diastolic volume, end systolic volume, volume of blood in aorta, ventricular ejection volume. Preload. Preload is the initial stretch on the muscle at the end of diastole. Preload is equal to end diastolic volume and is determined by venous return to the heart. So option D is the answer. Question number 6. Starling's law implies A. Increased heart rate leads to increased cardiac output. Increased discharge leads to increased cardiac output. Increased venous return leads to increased cardiac output. Answer to the above question is option D. Increased venous return leads to increased cardiac output. This is what the statement of Starling's law. Question number 7. Which type of hypoxia does not stimulate peripheral chemoreceptors? Anemic, histotoxic, stagnant, hypoxic. Answer to the above question is anemic hypoxia, because dissolved oxygen is within normal limits, so it does not stimulate peripheral chemoreceptor. Question number 8. An athlete participates in 100-meter dash race. Which of the following energy system is replaced by muscles of athlete's body? A. Phosphagen system. B. Glycogen lactic acid system. C. Aerobic system. D. Both A, B and C. Answer to the above question is option A, phosphagen system. Because it is utilized by the muscle of the athlete's body, the combined amount of cell ATP and cell phosphocreatinine are called the phosphagen energy system. They provide maximal muscle power. Question number 9. Resting membrane potential on nerve is determined by concentration of dash: calcium, potassium, chloride, magnesium. Answer to the above question is potassium, because of its higher permeability than sodium. Question number 10. Which of the following are true about nerve action potential conduction? On activation, there is influx of potassium and efflux of sodium. It is decremental in nature. It does not follow all or none law. It requires a threshold stimulus to be activated. Answer to the above question is option D. Sudden rise of membrane potential by 15 to 30 mV is usually required, which causes explosive development of action potential. The level of -55 is known as threshold for stimulation. Question number 11. Synaptic potential can be recorded by patch clamp technique, voltage clamp technique, microelectrode, EEG. Answer to the above question is option C, microelectrode. Question number 12. Neuronal degeneration is seen in all of the following except crushed nerve injury, fetal development, senescence, neuropraxia. Correct answer is neuropraxia. Only a local block to the conduction of nerve impulses, so degeneration does not occur. Question number 13. Solitary conduction in myelinated axon results from the fact that salt concentration is increased beneath the myelin segments, non-gated ion channels are present beneath the segments of myelin, membrane resistance decreased beneath the segments of myelin. Answer to the above question is option D. Voltage gated sodium channels are concentrated in the nodes of Ranvier. They are preferably distributed to the axonal membrane beneath the nodes of Ranvier. The process is facilitated by increased membrane resistance and decreased capacitance. Tetanus and botulinum toxin exert the effects by disrupting the function of snares, inhibiting propagation of action potential, function of voltage-gated ion channel, docking and binding of synaptic vesicles to presynaptic membrane, binding of transmitter to postsynaptic receptor. Answer to the above question is option C. They are large protein superfamily consisting of more than 60 members in yeast and mammalian cells. Primary role of them is to mediate vesicle function. Question number 15. What property of postsynaptic neuron would optimize the effectiveness of two closely spaced axodendritic synapses? A high membrane resistance, a high dendritic cytoplasmic resistance, a small cross-sectional area, a small space constant. Answer to the above question is option A. The options are obviously wrong because we know space constant increases with increasing membrane resistance or decreasing cytoplasmic resistance. Cytoplasmic resistance decreases as the cross-sectional area increases.